what Tigger said was true, and there really were heffalumps and woozles about, there was only one thing to do. Take drastic precautions to protect his precious honey.
Oh, hello. Am I glad to see you? It's more friendly with two. Now, you go that way, and I'll go this way. You didn't see anything, did you? Neither did I.
Now the very blustery night turned into a very rainy night, and Pooh kept his lonely vigil, hour after hour after hour, until at last Pooh fell fast asleep and began to dream.
They're black, they're brown, they're up, they're down, they're in, they're out, they're all about, they're far, they're gone, they're here, they're quick and slick, they're insincere. Beware, beware, be a very wary bear. A heffalump or woozle is very confusal. A heffalump or woozle's very sly. They comes and runs and toozles, but if they so chooses, before your eyes you'll see them multiply. They're extraordinary, so better be wary, because they come in every shape and size. If money's what you covet, you'll find that they love it, because they also love the rise.
They're green, they're blue, they're pink, they're white, they're round, they're square, they're orange. They hide themselves in horrible knots. They come in stripes.
Beware, beware, be a very wary bear. Extraordinary, so better be wary, because they come in every shape and size. If money's what you covet, you'll find that they love it, because they also love the thing you prize. They're back, they're up, they're in, they're out, they're all about, they're far, they're gone, they're quick and slick, they're insincere. Beware, 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 beware.
Is it raining in there? It's raining out here, too.